My ancestors, Omahlangu, migrated from a place called Enduvaza in Mpumalanga in South Africa under the stewardship of King Makotong. So I come from the Nzunza clan. The migration, they came with King Mzilias. And that migration also, there was a lot of recipes and dishes and seeds that were carried through. Mr. Ndlovu, njani baba?
Siyaphila mntaka baba, right?
Hayi ngiyaphila. Awusitshele Ndlovu, who are the Ndebele people of Mzilias?
Okay. The Ndebele people, it's a nation. And Abakamzilikazi, these are the people who migrated all the way from KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa. Siyachapha intaba zikaKhatlamba, bedlula eMosega, kuchaya uMhlanhlandlela, baze bazowela kwele Zimbabwe lapha. So ngabantu ababa yisizwe esadatshulwa inkosi uMzilikazi kaMachoba. Enguye umsunguli wesizwe, enguye umkhokheli wesizwe. Elibutho futhi njalo.
We're looking at food preservation among the Ndebele people of Zimbabwe.
Umkhwabha uphekwa kudala ungasikelwa langa. Upheka umudu njalo. Nxa ekhaya kumbe liyi-10, ugogo wayefaka imkhwabha eyi-10. Kwakusithi nxa laphana ugogo esephakulula, aphakulule. Sezakhipha-ke efaka emganwini 1 kodwa uyabe ungaka. Uphekiwe sokufakwa idobi.
Umkhwabha liwuthanda ngesitshwala sophongo uma isitshwala samabele?
Umkhwabha umnandi kakhulu ngesitshwala sophongo langenyawuthi langamabele.
Impuphu emhlophe hayi?
Akuhambisana. Yeah.
Umkhwabha nayo ulungisa ngani?
Sikathatha inyama sisikelele sibese siyifaka isawudo sesiyichaya okweviki ibisiwoma isimkhwabha.
Nxa supheka uhlanganisana.
Ngiyathatha imbiza ngifake eziko ngithela amanzi ngifaka umkhwabha wami then ungavuthwa sengithatha idobi sengigoqoza. Lesawudo ngifake.
La sesenzani?
Sesikhupha inyama la. Sesifaka idobi.
Ngathela idobi kule nyama phakathi kuyapha.
Idobi liyangena enyameni alisabi mnandi.
Okay, kumele sigoqozele.
Kumele sigoqoze idobi lelana lisebenze lilodwa then sesiphosela singaqeda singayigoqozela sesiphosela imkhwabha lethu. Ya, so ilidobi lethu leli sesifaka ke umkhwabha leyi.
Le idododo lingekho.
Idododo ngelingalalutho. Then sugoqoza. Suhlanganisa ke sugoqoza. Yeah, susekela ke kuchwathe inyama leyana kuze kube lengoroyi. Inyama leyana imunye idobi.
Ingoroyi.
Imunye idobi. Kuyabila ngapha. Sesipheka isitshwala sophoko. So sesiphehla njengoba sokubila so.
Ngiqhube impuphu.
Njengoba sokubila so sesiphehla. Banike bachuphe. Banike. Kade yaqandela.
So Zimbabwe, we've got 3 main small grains. You've got upogo. This is called finger millet. Then it's lamavele. We call this sorghum. Then gule nyawuthi, what's called a pearl millet. But upogo is the most expensive now uthenga vele market because in terms of the farming process, but also ama nutrients are khona la maningi. Le vele ngobulawayo igogoko le lophogo is about $30. Elamabele is $8 enenyawuthi lalo $8. So lapho basiphekela isitshwala sophogo uhlanyiswe lomkhwapha lo elodophi.
Long before maize arrived on African shores, two indigenous grains sustained empires, nourished generations, and linked the living to their ancestors, sorghum and finger millet. For the Ndebele people, these small grains are not merely agricultural crops. They are a bridge to history, a symbol of resilience, and the heart of cultural identity.
Ende lo mtshina wakhona uyachola shemu uyagadanga.
Phola
Uyachola.
Umnanda. Yabonga.
Ngule phisi khona apho ngambo.
Hayi khona. Yeah, khona. Umnanda. So this is final dish. Isitshwala sophogo umkhwapha ledo. So umami lapho the taste profile is just a combination le tanginess le the peanut butter and the small grain. So the small grain is the healthiest small grain because the smaller the grain the healthier it is. So ungakhayela vele uphogo mncane. So ulandela amabele nenyawuthi phoso kuncane. But kudla konkhona kumnandi.
For Ndebele families, food storage represents dignity, wealth, and resilience against dry seasons.
Esintwini kule ndlela eziningi zokulondoloza ukudla. Isikhayi imfushwa, ufutho, ucantsha. Lingasichazisela baba ngendlela yokuyenza ufutho, ukupheka ufutho.
Lapha sikhuluma ngofutho. Ufutho sigamula umumbo nalona ongani umanzi kanje. Omanzi yona lo manzi yona.
Ufutho uyahamba uyegamula umumbe emasimini. Omanzi wona lwana osuqina lwana ongana usaphuma ichakho. Upheke. Ungawupheka usuza uhulula. Ubusuchaya.
Isala kulapho isibela khona ini? Umumbo. Lapha singakhuluma lapha esihlubela khona umumbo. Masigethi umumbo siyakosa lapha esihlubela khona singahambi nje sihluba indawo yonke. Ngoba lo budli mase bungenile awusoza kubona. Ukuze sithi lizala kini sihlubele ndawonye. Kwenzela ukuthi lanxa kufika umuntu wathontsha ubone phela ukuthi
hayi ingena umuntu wathontsha.
Ungena umuntu wasithontshela la. Sesihlubile so. Kungayitho ukuthi siwuhulule kumbe siwupheke unjanje. Uyakhona ukupheka unje. Uwomise. Anti. Uwomise unje useziqwini. Kodwa kokunye kuba lula siyahulula umumbu lo manzi siwupheke njengegwadla anti sesiwuchaya. Singawuchaya usuwoma usulufutho.
Sozaphekela abantwana ebusika. Kumbula indlubu. Uthatha indlubu uzijokole ufake lo futho.
Pheka
Inkobe. Kumbe ngamazambane ucacade uphosele lo futho. Yikho ukudla kwakudala lokho.
Awuqinisa umzimba. Siyabonga. So day 2, hey, I'm super excited. And we're looking at food preservation among the Ndebele people of Zimbabwe.
Yeah, ukudla ngicabanga ukuthi since isizwe samaNdebele bekuyisizwe ebesihamba siza kunanzelela ukuthi ekuhambeni akhona ama dishes kumbe kukhona ukudla abaphuma lakho ababa lakho ngokunono ababe labo futhi ukudla kulomsoco ngenxa yokuthi ngabantu abahambayo bekudingakala ukuthi babe lendlela zokulondoloza ukudla uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi kuba lemfushwa ngoba kumele uthwale uhambe uma uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi kuba lonkankalu oluzahlala isizini yane enye elandelayo kwesinye isikhathi kube imhwaba.
So today we want to look at umhlutshu. This is sugarcane that has been sun-dried. So there are 2 methods here. There's one where you use the fresh sugarcane. You just cut the sugarcane into pieces, then uyafika uyendlale uputla ko imbiza yakho. Then either uyapheka umfahlo esithi isijeza somfahlo or inopi yomfahlo. The next option is you take the reeds and uyahluba. So that's where that term umhlutsha comes from. It's the act of peeling, ukuhluba. Then uyawachaya elangeni for about 3 or 5 days. So amanzi lawana evaporate from the sugarcane. That gives it that taste, that umami, that is now infused when we're cooking isijeza. Isijeza ibala lesiNdebele. Abantu bajayele inobi. Inobi is a Kalanga term. Also, if you look at unkankalu, ijodo, there is unkankalu is isiNdebele. There's another term also called umbali. But asike singene sibona umama lapha asiphekele isijeza. Koko linjani?
Ngiyaphila mntana.
Ngithanda ukulibingelela.
Hayi, ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibe lawa.
Yadla wazi ngithanda ukudla kwesintu ko. Lisiphekele namhla.
Namhla ngipheka isijeza. Abanye basibiza bethi yinobi. Kodwa lesi sijeza ngisifake ichukela yalamuhla. Lesi sijeza ngisifaka imfe. Ngiquma amalunga. Ngithi kla ngiqunda ngelithe. Ngiyendlale phansi. Yebo ungayenza lesithinya siyodwa. Dokuchela kwejodo. Dokuchela kwejodo. Ngeke ufaka emajodo phezulu. Uphathe kundawo ngisenzela ukuthi isijeza sami lesisebe lechukela eyemvelo hayi khona yakhathesi le yasikhathaza isifisela imkhuhlane njalo imfe le ngiyendlala ephansi kabili ngiyendlalela ukuthi ijodo lami lingacheli lokupha ubunandi esijezeni. Imfele ilayo ikabili. Imfele uyayilondoloza uyenze umhlutshwa. Ukuthi nxa ihlobo seliphelile sokusebusika udle imfe. Imfele le uthiwa umhlutshwa. Uyayihluba amakhaso uyihlube uyichaye elangeni. Yome usuyibeka ngesiphaleni ngendlini yakho nje ehlanzekileyo. Sokusethe busika ukudle khatshana uyabulokhu sidla imfe esilechukela enengi isisweet kakhulu ukudlula laphana wena isesemanzi uyisesemanzi
licha amalanga amangaki pho
hayi nxa ilanga litshisa kuhle ngichaya 5 days ukuthi wome sebile kuhle
5 days
yewome.
Highly popular in Ndebele and Southern African cuisine, isijeza is a staple comfort dish during harvest seasons when fresh pumpkins and wild melons are abundant. Historically, it is cooked during late summer and autumn when fresh melons and pumpkins are harvested from the fields. However, food preservation allows it to be cooked throughout the year. Mama Tembi cuts up the melons and puts them on top of the sugarcane before putting a little water into the pot, as the melons and sugarcane provide sufficient water. Mama Tembi believes the firewood and even cooking utensils influence the taste profile of the food, adding natural flavor to the isijeza, making it a tasty treat that can be had at any time. After removing the sugarcane, she keeps adding sorghum powder until she gets her desired thickness and texture. Mama Tembi insists that amabele or sorghum is her preferred choice of grain when making isijeza. The color of isijeza is provided by the sugarcane and the melon.
Inkobe lokhu ezisaqhatha.
Inkobe vele sezivela
Sezivuthiwe.
Kumbe ziyabuya after.
Ziyabuya.
Kade ufuna ukuzela ngemva kwe.
Yeah, it's that time to taste the food. Hey. So let's isijeza. Then ngapho inkobe zofutho. Then kula masala. But manje ngiqalise inkobe. Hey, inkobe ngiyasithanda yana. Ushisa. This is so nice. Now it's indumba. Indumba ngiyasithanda. Indumba ngiyasithanda. Must move it to isijeza. So isijeza lapho ngizahlanganisa la masa. Lethatha isipuni esisodwa la. Ngicuphe mina vele ngithanda ukudla ngezandla. Udla wesintu kumnandi. Namasi ngiyawathanda. And even ngansidla ithanga, pumpkin. It is nice. It tastes the chukela lilingen from the sugar cane. Then also there's that tangy taste from our mustard. This is like a beautiful cocktail of 2 ingredients. Masibala, unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Yes, sila namhla usiphekela.
Umdloti. Delele.
Idelele lona ungumfusha ulondolozwa njani umfusha lo?
Siyakukha emasimini sikuchaye.
Njalo idelele kule delele lentanga, le delele lamahlamvu. Umdloti delele lamahlamvu. Ekuphekeni ngibona kulomlotha lapha ngasichazela lipheka njani idelele.
Umlotha lona inhlaba siyakukha khona le ezintabeni. Kuyayenza umlotha uyaqunta ingatsha zangikhona ezomileyo. Ubuye ukufake emlilweni ukuchise kuthi then sukukha. Sukuthatha lapha nemala usikhiphe emlilweni sukufake edishini kube ngumlotha.
Kube ngumlotha. Inhlaba anti isihlahla esifana lecena. Oh, okay. Ekuphekeni le phekisa isikhathi singana indloti.
5 minutes.
or 5 minutes. Then ekudleni lisidla ngani sidla usidla.
Even isitshwala samabele, even esimhlophe lesi, impuphu emhlophe. Bese kuyavuma.
Vegetable preservation is a crucial practice, historically rooted in survival, community sustainability, and seasonal adaptation. Because the region is relatively dry, with long dry seasons such as Ihlobo and Ubusika, preserving indigenous and cultivated green vegetables ensures a consistent food supply when fresh greens are unavailable. Umfushwa remains a cherished staple in Ndebele homes, loved for its distinct, concentrated flavor profile that fresh greens simply cannot replicate.
So this is the umami effects, the silkiness of okra. Yeah, delele namahlamvu. Yeah, no problem. So this is okra, and okra is one of my favorite. Funny enough, nantanda idelele lentang, but delele lamahlamvu. So this silkiness, the texture, and also the mixture with the wood ash. Inhlaba is part of icena esemsa for inkukhu, umuthi wenkukhu. This is the one that's used here. But also you can use isihlahla somtswiri and isihlahla sophane. Yeah. Let me just drink. Mnandi. Yeah, so this is okra, a very important dish. So another food preservation method is called umqanja. This is the sorghum that is kept within a kettle crop, Spain. So this was done for two reasons, or one main reason was like wakudala kwisikhathi zempi nxa let's say other people from other communities, other ethnic groups befike behlasele lapha ngekhaya babefika bethatha inkomo zonke lezi betshise ngale mzi. So la sasifika begqobela amabele la as a full security measure. So bengabaleka wona beyicatsha ngale ndaba nxa besephenduka bazathola amabele lawa ekhona la eSpain. But now in terms of the umami and also the taste profile, i-texture ngona abasokuhlayele tasokuhlangene izinto eziningi lapha eSpain. So lokhu kuya-affecta nje amabele lawa and angana increase i-value. Umquba lo wenkomo yasokuhlangene khona, so okunye ngokuthatha like isikhathi for about maybe 3 to 6 months. Then nxa sesiqedile sesikhipha amabele lawa sizapheka ilambazi lomqanja or isitshwala somqanja. Ibala leli sukele ukuthi ukucatsha, to make something disappear or just to keep something safe. Yeah, so this is the taste of Ndebele food. Yeah, a lot of dishes that we spoke about. 4 food preservation methods: umkhwapa, umfushwa, umqanja, lo food. So umqanja, umfushwa, umkhwapa, lo food. It's 4 methods. Catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the wood. Togos.